You're watching How to Save a Post as a Draft in Instagram. When creating a new post, open Instagram and tap the plus icon. Select your photo or video from the gallery. Apply filters and edits as usual. Add your caption, tags, and location. When you are ready to save as a draft, instead of tapping share, tap the back arrow in the top left corner. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to save draft or discard. Tap Save Draft. Your post is now saved to your drafts. To access drafts later, start creating a new post again, tap the plus icon. After selecting media, you will see a drafts folder at the top of your gallery screen. Tap drafts to see all your saved drafts. Select the draft you want to edit or post. You can make changes, then tap next to proceed to the final share screen. If you decide not to post, you can save it as a draft again by tapping the back arrow. To delete a draft, open it from the drafts folder, then tap the back arrow and select discard draft. Drafts are saved locally on your device. If you uninstall Instagram or clear data, you may lose them. This feature works for both feed posts and reels. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.